How's it going, guys? So I want to introduce you to a software called Fortune 500. This is going to be a great software, guys, for trading small accounts. You can do big accounts also, and we'll do some examples on the big account and small accounts. But just to kind of introduce you to it, this is a FX social product, and you can put as small as $250, $500. I call it Fortune 500 mainly because I think $500 is that sweet spot, and it will automatically trade for you. It trades US 30 only. It can trade again as small as $250. It can really probably even trade $100, but I wouldn't really recommend that in that small. And it's a great way to just put something in a small account, grow it, and then once it doubles, pull your initial capital out, and then do it over and over and over. Now, can you do bigger accounts? Absolutely, but it's totally up to you. So I'm going to show you how it works. And then after I show you how it works, the next video is going to be really important. It's going to teach you which recommended broker that we use. And I would appreciate it if you use my referral link if possible. It doesn't cost you anything to join the broker link through my referral link. And then the third video is going to go over how to set the actual software up. So first video, we're on now. Second video, pretty much which broker. Third video, how to actually set the software up. So it's really, really simple. So let's go ahead and get to it. Let's show you how it works. So we're gonna try it on a couple of size accounts. We're gonna use the $500 deposit on minute 3. And if you're wondering how you get minute 3 on MT5, you can actually do the 3-minute chart. For inputs, the inputs are very simple since there's not much to do. You can choose what risk. We have a default at 4. And we'll do some examples of something smaller and bigger just for example purposes. So let's look at it, and we're going to just start our back test. We're going to go for, the most, if our account gets to $100, it's going to stop trading. So, and if it gets to $1,000, it's going to stop trading. So that's our profit, and this is our loss target. So you can choose what your loss target is going to be. And we'll mess around with it. We'll try $500 out, and we're going to go for $1,000, and the most we can lose is the most we're going to lose is $400, which will make our account $100. Hit start. As you can see, it's trading, and it does use stop loss, and it stops trading. So if you notice, it's not trading anymore because our target was $1,000. So it got there pretty quickly. Let's look at an example of if we made our minimum $400. If our account got to $400, what would happen? So that means that we're only risking $100 to get there. Let's hit start. And so the account has to get to $400 for it to start trading, or $1,000. Boom. So it never even risked even $100. So it's a pretty good software. It trades US start again. It does not use any recovery. Let's do an example. Let's go back to 100, and let's do an example. Let's go for 2,000, and let's keep the risk the same for now. Let's keep the risk the same. Hit start. And I suggest double, but you can, and that way you can always kind of control what's going on. Now, is this software the creme de la creme? No, of course you can have a losing day, a losing month, but the good thing it does is the recovery. Oh, hit the 2,000, so you're not going to be like pretty much coming out of nowhere. You're going to know exactly, what it does. It doesn't trade past the end of the day. So if you have any open trades, it's going to close all the trades by 4 p.m. And so it's a pretty good software. It's going to be, I think a lot of people are going to enjoy it because it's very simple. And then let's try $5,000, and we're going to just up the risk to 10%. Just to see what happens, right? I just want you to see, and you can always just test it yourself and back test it with the sub. So as you can see, it's doing crazy numbers now, but I wouldn't recommend this high unless you really just got $500 to blow. Bro, counts like $100 and $200. Let's do $200. Let's go single. And I actually was testing a $200 account, like $230 live deposit, as you can see. So the demo and the back testing all works the same as the live. But so if you do demo it, which I always recommend people do first before they put in live money, but you don't have to put much money if you do live. Obviously don't risk anything you're not willing to lose. But if you look at like exposure, I have this set to today. Let me see history. So today it made on this $230 account, it made $20, and that's 10% gain, which is a lot. And the bot will up the lot size based off of how big the account gets. So $22 on a $200 account for the day, I can go buy a meal, or in today's economy, maybe some fries. But let's do it with the $200 account. And let's aim for our $400 one. Let's go back to our original risk of 4% and hit start. And boom, you're done. So this is a great way. You want to just risk $200 and you throw it in there, but it's a great bot for trading software. Let's do something a little crazier. Let's try $200. Let's do $100. Now we'll have to change this because it's like the minimum is 100, so we'll have to change it to like 0. Or we'll do $10. And let's aim for $300. And let's hit start. Boom. So it's a simple software, guys. I'm not going to just keep doing this over and over. In the upcoming videos, the setup video, I'll go over how you can backtest yourself if you like. Like I said, this is specifically made for this particular broker, so make sure you use this broker. It works on live accounts, demo accounts, and like I said, you can control your risk. 4% is like what I recommend, and if you want to go crazier, you can do higher. And obviously, you're risking more, but if you got $250 and you want to go for, let's say you got $100, and you say, you know what, I just want to go and see what happens, and let's do 10% on that $100. In the worst case scenario, you just lose $100, right? And boom, it does its thing. So it can be pretty cool, right? So and you can just have your set profit and then stop trading after that. So that's pretty much it, guys. I'm gonna let you guys go. The next video is gonna go over which recommended broker, and then we're gonna teach you how to set it up.